Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video I'll be discussing about information related to test data. Especially getting a test data or creating a test data is a big challenge. We'll have a big bottleneck in handling a test data. So I'll be discussing completely in detail like how to solve this data problem issues, test data generation issues in this video. The first we will try to understand what are the various ways we can generate the test data. The first way of handling the test data is generating the test data in a synthetic fashion. Synthetic fashion is nothing but it's a fake or a dummy data we are going to get created using some of the tools or the algorithms or program which we have written ourselves, like a dummy data that program will create for us, which is going to mimic the real world scenarios. That is the first way of generating the test data. Then the second type of test generation is where we will be using the data from production environment, where we may not be using directly the data from production, but we are going to mask the production data. So using this approach, we can easily replace the sensitive data information like credit card information or personal information with fictitious data, so that we can use the production like data as part of our testing. The third way of handling the test data is leveraging the existing data sources. We may have a lot of data sources which are either from the production data which is already existing with us, or user generated data which is synthetically generated, or different way of data which is already existing with us. We can leverage that as well. Fourth type of data creation is data generation tools itself. There are various tools these days available specifically to generate test data by using artificial intelligence. You can easily create the test data automatically without having any much trouble. You can create the test data in a millions of records using this AI data generation tools. And the fifth way of creating test data is we can collaborate with the development team as well, because developers also will be using the test data which can also be borrowed and we can use as part of testing as well. The sixth way of generating is using the test data management tools. Also you can use to manage the creation part, storage, and as well as archiving for future purposes as well. The overall life cycle of test data can be easily managed with using a test data management tool. By using these test data management tools, we can easily avoid the various bottlenecks which we normally observe when we are going to manage the test data. So these are some of the ways. If we follow, definitely we can avoid the lot of test data challenges in our software testing projects. I hope you guys got a clear idea now. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.